In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Leonardo AI Desktop subscription. We'll keep this quick and straightforward so you can cancel your plan without any confusion. To begin, open your browser and go to the Leonardo AI app website. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account since subscription settings are tied to the account currently logged in. After you're inside the Leonardo AI app, look toward the area where your tokens are displayed. Move your cursor over the tokens section. This usually reveals account-related options and is the place where you can access billing or subscription controls. If you don't immediately see what you need, pause for a moment and make sure your cursor is positioned directly over that area. From the menu or option that appears, click on Manage Subscription. This will take you to the part of the platform where your current plan and billing settings can be reviewed. Depending on how the page loads, you may need to wait a few seconds for the subscription management screen to fully appear. Once you're on the subscription and billing page, find the Cancel Plan option and click it. From there, simply follow the remaining cancellation prompts to complete the process. The platform may ask you to confirm your decision before finalizing the cancellation, so read each prompt carefully and continue until the cancellation is fully submitted. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to watch for a confirmation message on screen at the end. If available, you may also want to check that your plan status updates correctly after cancellation, just to make sure everything went through as expected. And that's all it takes to cancel your Leonardo AI Desktop subscription.